Appreciation is the reward for greatness, and that's why Intercontinental Distillers Limited finds it worthy to appreciate our amazing distributors who have contributed immensely to the growth of our company. It's a two-in-one event today, as we will be relaunching two of our brands, namely Idl Aromatic and Commodore Schnapps. Please come with us.
I want to warmly welcome you to Idl 2022 Distributors Award Ceremony, and I thank you for honoring our invitation. I'm delighted that we can once again gather in large numbers to appreciate our esteemed distributors. Today has been set aside by Idl management to appreciate and reward our esteemed distributors for doing business with us in the last financial year, 2021. Some of you have been with us now for over 30 years, some 25 years, 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, and we are still doing business together till today. We value and appreciate your patronage and loyalty to our company. God bless you.
Today we have come again with two Schnapps brands that have been completely rejuvenated and redefined within the Nigerian market. Idl Aromatic Schnapps is now clearly the authentic prayer drink in Nigeria, and Commodore Schnapps is indeed the spirit of answered prayers. They are conveyors of original blessings. So what's in it for the consumers? Once you purchase any of these, you can be rest assured that the gods will be happy with you.
I now pronounce you, man, and what?
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. Life journey begins at birth. The cry of a newborn baby is music to the ears of an expectant family. Therefore, let the journey begin.
We are launching Idl Aromatic Schnapps. I recommend this product to everyone. If you want your prayers to be heard, use Idl Aromatic Schnapps. Another product, Commodore Aromatic Schnapps. I recommend this product because our God will be happy with you when you use this product for prayer. Thank you.
I didn't really expect what I see here today. Usual way of Idl, they take care of their customer. They promise and they fulfill their promises. Even they surprise you beyond your imagination. So hard work pay. If you work hard with Idl, it pays. And I thank the management of Idl for doing a good job to their partner.
We continue to solicit for yours and support to push for the sales of our new products and great brands to improve in the area of redistribution, to make our products more easily available across all the nooks and crannies of the country.
Today is a very happy day for me, especially because the brands have been under re-engineering for a while. One thing that Intercontinental Distillers does, and we do very well, is innovation. The leadership of the business is very emotional and passionate about innovation. At every stage of the brand's life cycle, it's always good to look back and say, what can I do better? How have I fared so far? That's why we have looked at Idl, for instance, and say it's time for the Idl to be rebirthed. If originally you know the story of the Idl, after 40 years, the Idl sheds off his skin, comes back better, and that gives the Idl the privilege to live another 30 years. That is what we have done. Commodore has been in the works. We've sent it to the market. The brand is ready to compete. It's no more flanking. It's ready to compete with all major schnapps in the Nigerian wine and spirit market. And I know that we're going to do well.
Something that happens almost every year. I used to be an awardee, the fact that I put a lot of effort in the business. And the company has been so fair to us.
I feel great, I feel happy, and I thank God for the awards.
Idl is a foremost company in wines and spirit industry in Nigeria. And we have a number of brands, very premium brands that are well known in this country. And you find our brands all over the country. We are not a regional player, we're a national player. In fact, if you go outside the shore of Nigeria, meet our products.
That makes you international.
Yeah. Our brands ranked above all others in the industry.
I